So, ito naman yung sa service provider. Uh, ano natin back. So, may splash page then, right? Then, sign in page. Click tayo ng sign up. Then, makikita natin dito, ang clinic na role is service provider. Occupation niya is cleaner. So, click on done. Then, sign up successful. Okay. Okay. And then, once na naka-sign up na, click on sign in lang, enter your credentials, and then sign in. So, dito makikita natin yung dashboard. So, makikita natin mayroong uh, apat na access menu sa dashboard ni service provider. Una-una is yung, ito muna. Pero dito makikita total booking sa earnings. So, dito yung pending booking. And yan si Jane Francisco, di pa na-confirm uh, yung service na hinihingi niya. So, since pending pa siya, pinutin lang natin to. And then, set lang tayo ng price. And then, kung tayo si service provider, ha. So, confirm this booking. Okay? Alright. And then, once na confirm na natin yung booking, lalabas dito yan sa confirm booking. And ito na yung mga na-confirm natin. Si Miguel Gaspar, confirm na yung uh, service yung service na in-avail niya. So, meaning, hintay na lang ni Miguel Gaspar na uh, na-provide yung services. Okay. So, since confirmed na siya, pwede mag-message. Ito rin yung kanina na pinakita ko. So, mark na lang natin siya as complete pag tapos na-provide na natin yung services. Okay. Then, click on create lang. Tapos, pag uh, pag natapos na lahat ng bookings, lalabas dito yan sa booking records. So, ito yung mga completed na natin. Si Jasmine Aguil, si Gabriel Castro. So, ito yung completed. Yan. Ratings. 7. Sabi, magaling. Malinis at pulido ang pagtatrabaho ni Sir sa bahay namin. Yan. Okay. So, okay na. So, lastly is yung profile. Ito yung profile. Yan. Role is service provider. Then yung occupation. Then that's it. Sign out na. Okay, next natin is admin access. So, ito lang yan. Same lang. Sign up. Sign in tayo diretso. And then, may makikita tayo dito total user sa total service provider. Makikita natin dito kung ilan na yung nag-sign up na user tsaka service provider. Okay? And then lastly is yung service category. Yan. Tara yan. Select. Pwede natin i-remove to services na to. Yan. Successfully remove. Pwede rin tayo mag-add. Yan. Ito yung sub-service 1 to 5. Okay, mga nakita natin. Ito yung main service. Then, click on submit lang. Okay. So, ito yung add sa delete ng service category. May profile. It's very basic lang. Okay. Then, click on sign up. So, yun yung tatlong interfaces, which is yung user or client access, and then service provider access, and then yung lastly, admin access. I'd say nasa 60% na kami ah, ng program. Pinapagana na lang namin lahat. But overall, ito na yung output ng program na. So much.